We all know that apples and oranges grow in orchards, while tomatoes and corn grow in fields. Those are obvious. But do you know that mushrooms are grown indoors in long buildings that almost look like army barracks, and that cranberries grow in bogs? Well, they do. And when it comes time to harvest the cranberries, the bog, which during the growing season is a rocky sandy field filled with bushes, is flooded and the cranberries float to the top to be collected. Today we're going to show you how to turn these into a tasty relish that's a nice change of pace from your typical cooked or canned cranberry sauce. We start by placing a good amount of fresh or frozen cranberries in a food processor, along with an orange and an apple that we've chunked up. Now we add some sugar, since the cranberries are very tart, and pecans to add a little crunch. We pulse this until everything is chopped and looks like this. It doesn't get any easier. And when you share this at your Thanksgiving feast, along with your knowledge of how cranberries are grown, you'll be the talk of the table. To get the recipe for our cranberry-pecan relish, all you have to do is check out our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a cranberry-licious way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Tart.